Tito, another one?
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah, back with another video. Today I got my boy Day in the chair. Right now we got our comb, lifting the hair off the scalp as always. Preparing it to knock down with a 1.5 guard. We also picking out the beard because I'm going to show y'all how to do that today too. Right now we're knocking the hair down with a 1.5, being repetitive, trying to get it as even as possible. When I get to the back, I find a swirl area. I comb it the way it grows and proceed with cutting down. We starting off this fade with this first guideline, which is the bald guideline. He getting a bald fade, so we're going really straight to the back just because this how his head shape take it. We're gonna give it a little curve to it, but other than that, we're gonna clean up the excess hair at the bottom and proceed with the next steps. I also sit in the bald guideline for the top of his beard. Next step is our second guideline with the lever open. We're going to sit in this guideline as neat as possible and work our way down. So we're going to create the guideline and blend it out. Working your way down, you want to start with the lever open, then go a little bit before halfway, then halfway, then a little bit after halfway, then fully closed. Right here I should be a little bit before halfway. Then I'm gonna close my lever just a little until I'm actually halfway. Right now. Then I'm gonna close a little bit more until I'm a little bit after halfway. And now I should be fully closed, finishing out this guideline. For the taper off this beard, I already started off with my lever open. Now I got my number 1 guard. Then I'm gonna move into the number 2 guard. Then I'm gonna grab my 1.5. Then after the 1.5, I'm gonna go back with my lever open just to clean it up. And it's basically the same steps as the actual fade, just moving down instead of moving up.
Damn it, Tito, another one?
Back to the fade, we sitting in this third guideline. We're gonna sit in this guideline and work our way down. See how I'm going sideways as I move up. His hair started to transition into them waves, which he brushes forward. So I gotta go against the grain to get it clean as possible. Then work my way down. Then we're gonna go number 2 guard to debulk, get rid of some of this weight and help this transition from the top and the side fade come together. But we're gonna finish it off with the 1.5 guard by working our way down. Removing weight takes time, especially with his grade of hair. So make sure you comb as you go, feed the hair into them clippers and get everything as smooth as possible. To make sure I'm 100% smooth, I go back in with my 1.5 with the grain to clean it up a little bit. Then I start working my way down with the lever open until I'm closed. Remember, with this 1.5 guard, you're not trying to sit in the guideline. There's only 3 guidelines: the ball guideline, the second guideline with the lever open, and a number 1 guard with the lever open. After that, you're basically flicking everything out from there on. We finishing out this fade with the lever open, taking out this faint line, using our corners, flicking out as we go, closing the lever just a little bit when we need to, detailing. But if you don't feel comfortable doing this, you can use a guard, which is a 0 guard, a half guard, or a 1/16 guard, depending on whatever clipper you're using, and you just use that for this step.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
You can literally see how using my steps make this fade so gradient and polished. Now we're getting into this front edge up. We knocking it down with a 1 guard open, then close. We started off knocking the whole head down with a 1.5 guard open. So we're going a guard level lower to take the edge up down. My client got a funny edge up. It grows lower toward the sides and higher in the middle. So we're gonna start directly in the middle and work our way to one side. Lock that one side in, then we're gonna work our way to the other side. As you can see, my client vertical bars are very light, even though we put a solid edge up on it. So a way to enhance it is I use a Barber Magic pencil directly on the side with the vertical bars. I don't do it across the whole edge up where I don't like to. I would if the client want me to, but I like just using it on the sides just for when they light. Still try to give it that natural effect, so that's why I don't put it around the whole edge up. I watch a lot of people put the Barber Magic on very thick, and I feel like they're just too drastic for me. So I put it on thin, because like I said, I want to give it natural effect. Then I grab my trimmers, and I kind of blend it out a little bit. I don't blend it all the way out, just because I know I'm going to come back with my razor. But if you don't plan on using a razor, I suggest you blend it all the way out. Now I got my card and my fibers to finish enhancing this cut. I'm gonna apply the fibers on very lightly because my client already have a dark grade of hair. So I'm applying them on light so it won't be too jet black. I'm just work my way to the middle, then I'm work my way to the vertical bar areas. I'm gonna kind of overspray on the vertical bar areas, but I'm glad I did this so I can show you guys how I work around it. I kind of faded it out with my clippers before I add the holding spray. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Holding spray to hold those fibers. Then we're gonna grab the blow dry to lock those fibers in. Then we're gonna grab the Mike Tyson boards. You know how we do it. We're gonna get this edge up super crispy to the next level. Then we're gonna focus on getting the beard crispy as well. I like to start my beard edge ups at the back, get it clean as possible, stay out as far as possible so it won't grow back ugly. Then I'm gonna clean up the bottom of his edge up. I'm not gonna show that just because his head wasn't in the shot. And after that, we're gonna work our way to the top of the beard. I'm adding shaving gel so I can use my razor smoothly. I'm cleaning up the excess gel at the top and those light hairs that you can't see. Now I do like 2 rough drafts before I actually establish the beard how I want it. So with the first rough draft, I'm basically just trying to get that beard shape going. At this point, I'm in my second rough draft phase, making sure I got a nice curve on this beard before I actually start solidifying it. I'm constantly wiping out the excess hair off the beard so I can see exactly what I'm working with. Then to finalize this beard edge up, I have him add some air to his cheek to get every little small detail. This helps an awful lot. And here's the final product of the beard. Like I said earlier, we're using that razor on the vertical bar area to blend out that pencil. I already did the other side, so we're taking care of this side right now.
Oh, wow. Wow.
It's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah, back with some heat again. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. In the comment section, let me know what you think about this cut. We got them blended splendid all the way around. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Like, I really appreciate y'all. I'm gone. Slap.